So I've been testing out the new RedMagic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro. And honestly, this thing is trying to be the ultimate gaming tablet. But the real question is, does it actually beat the competition? Or is it just hype? Right off the bat, the specs are insane. We're talking a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen chip, up to 200Hz OLED display, and a massive battery built for long gaming sessions. On paper, it absolutely smokes most tablets in raw performance. Now, compared to something like the iPad Pro or Lenovo Legion tablets, the biggest difference is clearly the gaming focus. The RedMagic pushes higher refresh rates and aggressive cooling with an active fan system. And yeah, in fast-paced games like shooters or Genshin Impact, it feels ridiculously smooth. But it's not perfect. The 200Hz display eats battery fast, and the software still doesn't feel as polished as Apple's ecosystem. iPad Pro still wins on color accuracy, app optimization, and overall balance. So here's my take. If you want a pure gaming beast, this is one of the most powerful Android tablets you can get. But if you want something for work, media, and gaming combined, the competition still feels more refined. Bottom line, insane power, but it's not for everyone.